Okay guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about a 29-4. It's a really good machine, but they're 100 years old and the timing seems to go out. These real old ones don't have any adjustment in them. They're either on or they aren't. The newer ones have a little screw here that you can screw back and forth a little bit with the timing. It's right in here, but the old ones, you're basically on your own. They either work or they don't. So right here, I'd like to take a look. Have you take a look here for me. Get in here kind of close, Matthew. And what's happening here is when this needle comes down, it's going to come down. The shuttle's going to come around, and it's going to grab a hold of the thread right there. It's going to make a loop. See how it makes a loop? It makes a loop, and when it comes back, it grabs a hold of that loop and comes all the way around. And then there's where it ties, right there, just like that. And what happens is, okay, pan back just a little bit. What happens is it goes in between the shuttle. This is the bobbin, this is the shuttle. It goes between the shuttle and over the top of the shuttle carrier. This is the shuttle carrier. If your thread gets down underneath here and gets all looped up, this is the problem right here. It's your shuttle carrier. And your shuttle carrier, there's a little screw. You can move your machine a little bit. This will come out. There'll be a screw down in here at an angle. You can take that screw out and push up here, and that shuttle carrier will come out. Okay, and that's a little bit about that. And you need all this stuff's got to be smooth. You can work on this stuff kind of with a file and get it really polished, shine it up, make sure that there isn't any catches anywhere, because a catch can screw everything up. So you gotta try and make sure that everything's smooth. Okay, back to the timing. That's what that looks like. It comes around and goes down. Okay, mine was not doing that. And what I had to do was, like I said, everything's just basically solid here. So let's go around this other side. What I had to do was, we'll pull this out so it doesn't get a bunch of knots. Okay, I put this in right here. I drilled a hole. I drilled another hole and I put another one in. Basically, they screw down against this shaft. And I had to pull this pin. See the difference there? That's how far mine is out. And I don't know if we can't probably get, but right in here, this shaft is not, it's not original. I had to move that gear back and forth a little bit to get everything timed so that was right. When I got it timed, there is a screw right here, right there, that you can tighten up. And you can tighten that down, and then it'll work for a while, but it's just not enough. So I had to tap. I had to use a drill bit, and it's a number 7, and I used this drill bit. I drilled in, made a new hole here, and then after you drill in, you got to drill in through that worm gear into the shaft, and then pull it back a little bit so you got a new spot. And then you can use this. And this is basically a tap. What this does is make new threads. So you drill the hole, you make threads, and this is a 1/4 inch. Okay? And you make new threads, you screw this down so this locks on that shaft in a new spot. And then everything will get into time, and you can use your old machine, and they're just a beautiful machine. And I don't know if you have any other questions. I guess try and get a hold of me and I'll try and help you out. Thank you very much. You have a good day.